Hello everyone, my name is Arvind Panda. I am a fourth year student from UPS Dehradun. Currently, I am working as a legal intern in Lexus and Company for the month of June. And today in this video, I am going to talk about law of limitation in India. So, the word limitation itself say the meaning. The word limitation in its literal term means a restriction or the rule or circumstances which are limited. The law of limitation has been prescribed as a time limit which is given for different suit or the aggrieved person within which they can approach the court for redress or justice. So, it is necessary to have certain basic knowledge regarding the law of limitation, though it is not expected from every citizen to master various provision which has been provided for limitation in different suit matters. So, the basic concept of limitation is relating to fixing or prescribing of the time period for bringing legal action. According to Section 2 of Limitation Act, period of limitations means the period of limitation prescribed for any suit, appeal, or application by the scheduled or prescribed period. Means the period of limitation computed in accordance with the provision of the Act. The law of limitation signifies to prevent from the last date of different legal actions which can take place against an aggrieved person, and to advance the suit and seek remedy or righteous before the court. Where a suit is initiated after the bar of limitation, it will be hit by the law of limitation. The main and the fundamental aim of the law of limitation is to protect the lengthy process of penalizing a person indirectly without doing any offense. Now, the law relating to the law of limitation to India is the Limitation Act of 1959 and subsequently Limitation Act of 1963, which was enacted on October 1963 and which came into force in the year 1964 for the purpose of consolidating and amending the legal principle relating to limitation of suit and other legal proceedings. So, according to the provision provided under the Act, it is the litigation which is initiated, the appeal which is entertained, and the request which are made after the specified term which shall be dismissed, even though the limitation is not raised as a defense. It is a suit which is initiated when the complaint is instituted to any of an appropriate officer in a normal case and where the person is a pauper. In other circumstances, a suit is initiated when the request to leave to file a suit as a proper is made and where the case is relating to the allegation which is against the company that is being wound up by a court. Where the applicant initially sent his assertion to the official litigator, where the assertion is made in a form of set off or counterclaim, it shall be deemed as a separate litigation, and in the case of set off, it shall also be considered to have initiated on the date on which the proceeding for set off is pleaded. Now, it can be said that in the case of additional claim, a suit shall be instituted within the same date on which the counterclaim has been made, with the request by notice of motion is made in the High Court when the application is provided to the appropriate officer of the particular court. Now, when a court is closed on the expiry date of filing any suit to kill or application search suit, API law application may be initiated on the reopening day of the court. An appeal or application shall be admitted by the court after the specified period if the litigant convinces to the court by showing inadequate cause for the failure to prepare a appeal application within the specified period, then the court can admit his appeal or application. Now, it is the duty of the litigant to give appropriate cause for his failure for the filing of suit, appeal, or application. Beside all this, it is the act which provide that where a person who is having an authority to file any suit or to make any request for the execution of defense, who is a minor or insane or an idiot during the specified time of filing is to be considered. He may be initiated to file a suit or application which shall be filed within the same time after his disability has come to an end, or at the time during which the specified term is to be considered. She may initiate the legal action or application within the same term after both his capacities and disabilities of his have come to an end. Whereas if the incapacity of the disability continues the person till death, when the act vests in authorities of the person on the legal representative to initiate the legal action or make any application after the death within the same period. So that's all for today's video. Hope you all like it. Thank you so much.